Joglekar and welcome to this course on generative AI. If there is one technology trend that has taken us all by storm in 2023, it is this generative AI. So join me in this course to go to the depths of generative AI and learn everything associated with it, right from the start to becoming an expert. We will start with learning models like ChatGPT 3, GPT-4, GPT 3.5, Mid-Journey, as well as DALL-E 2. Next, we shall learn a skill which is probably the most important skill this year and beyond. The skill is that of prompt engineering. We shall practice 50 different prompts from different sectors of life and apply them then and there to see how AI can create magic. Next, we shall look at practical applications of generative AI in the sectors of medicine, in the sector of coding, in the sector of healthcare, education, you name it, and we'll have it. Furthermore, we are going to do practical exercises practically at the end of every chapter to ensure all of us are on the same page. I am Joglekar. I have studied different aspects of technology, including product, marketing, tech, distribution, all of it. And I am combining all these skills to deliver this course on generative AI just for you. Finally, we are going to study how generative AI can be applied for your company, for your sector, to deliver more monies, more recognition, more name and fame for you. At the end of this course, you can expect that you will be an expert in generative AI, ready to write complex prompts that can deliver great output in your sector. So what are you waiting for? Join me, Joglekar, on this exciting journey of generative AI.